In this video, we will understand how you can now have the option to select express or urgent delivery while creating the laundry order in the MPOS. To begin with, click on the per weight option in the MPOS. Select the amount or the kgs that you have for the garments. You can select the number of garments and proceed to continue. As you can see here at the bottom, we have the option to apply same day delivery or the next day delivery on the order. Depending on your requirement, you can select any of the options and proceed. As you can see, the order has been successfully placed along with the added amount for the next day delivery. I hope you now understand how you can add express or urgent delivery option while creating the laundry order.